Imagine 5 free AI tools doing your job while you sleep. Writing, designing, planning, and even earning for you. This is Tech Trek by Moiz, and today I'll show you 5 crazy AI tools that can literally automate your work, for free. First up, Taskade AI. Use commands like /write blog post, /generate startup idea, or /create YouTube script. It instantly builds content, outlines, mind maps, and more. Great for students, creators, and agencies. Check it out at taskade.com. Next we have Durable AI. This one builds entire websites, in 30 seconds. Just give it your business name and type and boom, a working website with text, images, and layout. No coding, no hosting, just launch ready. Head over to durable.co. If you're too shy to show your face, try DeepBrain AI. It creates videos from text, with human-like AI avatars. Perfect for YouTube, courses, or marketing videos. More info at deepbrain.io. For those into video content, Opus Clip is a game changer. It edits your long videos into viral shorts. Opus Clip uses AI to pick the best parts, add captions, zoom effects, and more, with one click. Ideal for YouTubers, influencers, and podcasters. Visit opus.pro to get started. Finally, we have Looka. Need a logo, brand kit, or website graphics? Looka AI makes stunning logos and entire branding kits in 2 minutes. Freelancers are using it to make money easily. Check it out at looka.com. These AI tools are like digital employees, free, fast, and never sleep. Start using them today to automate your work or even build a side income.